Hi, I'm in my pantry again today, and as you can see behind me, I have my working pantry shelves. And I'm about to do a complete overhaul of what I'm doing in my pantry. As you can see, this is right beside of my kitchen. So I'm going to show you a little bit of what I'm fixing to do. Okay, I've turned this around so that you can see. I've started, you can see right here, I have started grouping some of my canned foods. Now, when I say this is my working pantry, with it being beside of my kitchen, I have set it up so that, I could just walk out here and, and grab something off the shelf for the kitchen. You can see I have a few things down there that are store-bought things. I'm going to be doing away with a lot of that stuff because I've got it in my own stuff in the jars now. But what I'm planning to do is group, like the tomato stuff there, in my various sections of my pantry, because I have multiple shelves. This is just the one that is at the, it's in my main entrance to the pantry and has been easily accessible, but I've added a lot of shelving so that I can group everything. Through the years of, I'm talking many years of canning and adding to my canning pantry, I've added several shelves, and you can see right there I have another refrigerator back in the distance. But anyway, I'm going to show you a little bit about what I'm doing. Okay, so you can see here I have 3 cabinets. This is in the back of my pantry in front of my freezer. And so in this particular cabinet, my husband, when we first, this is getting a little close, I know. When we first bought this, he took these, and you can see right there, he's put strips down the side so that he could add shelving into these cabinets. And you can see I've got a lot of bare space because it's that time of year where I'm going to be adding a lot of stuff to my cabinets. But anyways, you can see there's, all kinds of different things there. And then I have one here that's more for pints that I am going to be, you can see some of my pretty white chicken right there and some of the meatloaf that I did. But anyway, what I'm going to do is use these 3 cabinets mainly for my meats and proteins, things like that. You can see there all the different things that I have in these cabinets. There's some of my canned bacon, and there's roast, and just all kinds of stuff in these cabinets. So I started doing the grouping here in this pantry area, and I will be working on those red cabinets next and get them all grouped, and then maybe I'll show you all in a few days what I've done. When I ran out of room in the back cabinets, my husband and I built the red one here, and there's another one that we built, and I'll show you pictures of those when we were building them. I decided to show you all this area that I'm working on today because, whenever I first started adding a lot of things to my pantry and to the things that I was canning, it didn't occur to me at that point that, it was going to get this out of hand. And so, I wanted to just caution you to make sure that as you add new things, that you add your shelving then, and make sure that, that you keep things grouped, because it will make your inventory a nightmare if you don't. So anyway, until next time, God bless y'all.